Sick of the same old phrases? Learn, be sick of. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you've probably heard quite a bit in English conversations, be sick of. This isn't about health, though it might sound like it. Instead, we're going to explore what this phrase means, how to use it correctly, and we'll look at some examples so you can start using it in your everyday English. So, if you're eager to expand your English vocabulary, let's get started. When someone says they are sick of something, they're not talking about a physical illness. Instead, this phrase is an informal way to express that you have had enough of a particular thing, situation, or person. It means that you are frustrated, annoyed, or fed up with something that has been happening for a while. For example, I am sick of this rainy weather. She is sick of his constant excuses. In both sentences, the phrase, be sick of, shows a strong dislike or impatience for the situation. Using be sick of in a sentence is pretty straightforward. It is often followed by a noun or a gerund, a verb ending in ing that functions as a noun. Here's how you can structure your sentences. I am sick of plus, noun, gerund. He is sick of plus, noun, gerund. We are sick of plus, noun, gerund. They are sick of plus, noun, gerund. Let's see some examples. He is sick of eating the same lunch every day. They are sick of the neighbor's loud music. Notice that the phrase can be used with any subject, like I, she, we, or they. One key aspect of using be sick of is conveying emotions. It's a phrase that packs a punch and shows you're not just a little annoyed. You're really over it. It's important to match your tone of voice with the meaning of the phrase. When saying you're sick of something, your voice should reflect that strong feeling of irritation or dissatisfaction. Examples: I am sick of your negative attitude. We are sick of all these traffic jams. Remember, though, because it's a strong expression, use it carefully to ensure you don't offend anyone unintentionally. That's a wrap on be sick of. Now you understand that it's all about expressing a strong feeling of annoyance or frustration, not about being physically unwell. I hope this video makes you excited to use new phrases in English, and definitely not sick of learning them. Happy learning, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.